Are you ready to start your green journey but don't know where to begin? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Planty Home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of nature enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into 10 plant care tips for beginners. Start your green journey today. We'll share some simple and effective tips to help you get started with plant care, even if you've never owned a plant before. So, let's get started. Choosing the right plants. The first step in your green journey is choosing the right plants. Here are some beginner-friendly options to consider. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Snake plants are incredibly resilient and can tolerate low light and infrequent watering, making them perfect for beginners. Pothos, Epipremnumorium. Pothos are easy to care for and can thrive in a variety of lighting conditions. Their trailing vines add a beautiful touch to any space. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are great for beginners because they adapt well to different environments and are easy to propagate. Lighting. Understanding your plant's lighting needs is crucial for its health. Here are some tips to help you get it right. Bright, indirect light. Most houseplants thrive in bright, indirect light. Place them near windows with sheer curtains to filter the sunlight. Low light plants. If your space doesn't get much natural light, choose plants that can tolerate low light conditions, like snake plants or ZZ plants. Rotate your plants. To ensure even growth, rotate your plants every few weeks so that all sides get adequate light. Watering is where many beginners struggle, but it's easier than you think with these tips. Check the soil. Before watering, check the soil moisture. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water thoroughly. When you water, do it thoroughly until you see water draining from the bottom. This ensures the roots get enough moisture. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering is a common mistake. Most plants prefer to dry out a bit between waterings, so don't water on a set schedule. Listen to your plants. Plant care routine. Establishing a routine can make plant care easier and more enjoyable. Regular check-ins. Set a reminder to check on your plants once a week. Look for signs of pests, check soil moisture, and clean any dusty leaves. Starting your green journey can be incredibly rewarding. With these 10 plant care tips, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident plant parent. Remember, every plant is unique, so take the time to understand their specific needs and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own plant care tips or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant care advice and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.